Welcome back to another video. We are at Iberostar Selection Rose Hall Suites in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm going to do a room tour and then give a brand update for 2026 for the Iberostar brand in Jamaica, because there are some upcoming changes that you should know about. Go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. This room is located right off the main lobby at Iberostar Selection. It's a tropical view room, double bed with the setup for a third guest. When you walk in, the closet is on your left and the bathroom on your right. There's the typical safe, a tea, coffee station, and stocked mini fridge. All Iberostar properties are plastic free, so bring your own refillable water bottle. If you use the ones provided, you will be charged. Continuing on with the closet, you have bathrobes and slippers, an ironing board, an iron. Across from the closet is the bathroom with a tub and separate shower. They do provide bathroom amenities and a blow dryer. There's a door that separates the bathroom entryway to the sleeping area. This comes in handy if you're sharing the room with friends. One can be getting dressed without waking up the other person that is still sleeping. As you enter the room, you'll notice that it's pretty spacious. This is the difference between this resort and their sister property, Iberostar Waves. Waves does not have the step-down area that has the sitting area. All the rooms are the same in the properties except for decor, color scheme, and furniture types. The pull-out couch is set up for a third guest in this particular room. If you had a king-size bed, it'll just be one big bed and the sofa. In the balcony, there's a drying rack for wet swimsuits, 2 chairs. This is a tropical room view overlooking a decoy pool, but you still have ocean views. That is the beauty of how Iberostar has their resorts situated. The U-shape almost guarantees some form of ocean view. If you want full ocean view, you have to book an oceanfront room. And now for the updates of 2026 for Iberostar in Montego Bay. Iberostar Joia, the adult-only resort, will close from June to December 2026 for major. While that is happening, Iberostar Waves Rose Hall Beach, which is the entry level that used to be a family-friendly resort, will transition into adults only starting November 1st, 2026. Iberostar Selection Suites, the one that I'm showing the current room for, will remain family-friendly. But the adults would have exchange privileges to Waves when it becomes adults only. Now, the adults that are staying at Waves will not have exchange privilege to Selection, as they currently don't have exchange privileges. Now, this might change, so I'm going to put a caveat here that as of production date, this is April 2026. It stays to where you do not have exchange privilege from Waves to Selection. What I'm wondering is, how are they going to handle the ice cream situation? Because all the kids know that they go over from Selection to Waves to get the best ice cream. But that remains to be seen. So this is the major change that is coming to Iberostar in Montego Bay. They will be left with 2 resorts, Selection and Waves. Waves will become adults only, and Selection will remain family friendly. So there you have it. Will you be traveling to Jamaica this year, and will you be staying at Iberostar? I love the properties, but with all these changes, we'll just have to wait and see what Joia looks like after the change, which it will also remain adults only. So will they change Waves back to family friendly after the updates? That remains to be seen. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this one. Talk to you soon.